Have you ever imagined a coat so perfect that it could fix itself when cut, adjust your body temperature and even feel pressure? A supercoat that renews itself, shields you from harmful UV rays, and adapts to your body's flexibility and elasticity. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Well, you're wearing it right now. It's your skin. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of the skin's unique properties and functions, and how it's much more than just an outer layer of your body. Let's start by looking at one of the most impressive features of our skin, its self-healing properties. Starting with the self-healing properties of our skin, it is unlike a coat in that it possesses remarkable biological healing powers, with the ability to resist damage and repair itself, ultimately providing an extraordinary level of durability. Despite the fact that modern materials used in outerwear can resist wear and tear, they are still inferior to the self-healing prowess of the skin. Did you know that your skin is a sophisticated temperature regulator, constantly adjusting to environmental changes to keep our bodies comfortable? It's a key part. It's a key part of our body that manages our internal heat. The skin has sweat glands that release moisture, and as this moisture evaporates, it aids in cooling the body down. The blood vessels in our skin also play a part. They dilate or constrict to help with heat exchange. So it's not only the skin, but also our body's natural mechanisms that contribute to our it, as having a built-in natural thermostat that ensures comfort in any weather condition. Such is the incredible functionality of your skin. Imagine a world where your skin could renew itself daily, maintaining a fresh and pristine appearance. Our skin actually does this, undergoing a renewal process every day and replacing thousands of cells. Unlike our coats, our skin is a marvel of nature that not only adapts to our body size as we grow, but also experiences sensations like cold and warmth, and even regulates our body temperature. Indeed, it's truly astonishing that our skin has the capacity to feel touch, heal itself, and constantly renew. This brings us to question: does this knowledge transform how you look at your own skin? Closing scene. So what's the biggest revelation you've garnered from today's exploration? Are you now seeing your skin brand new lens? If this video has sparked your interest as much as it did mine, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your inquisitive friends. Make sure to share your thoughts and responses to the questions posed in the comments section. Your input could be the inspiration for our next video. In the meantime, keep the spirit of inquiry alive and see you in our next exploration.